Did you know that text message marketing allows you to generate a flood of customers on autopilot? Not only is it easy to do, it's much more cost-effective compared to traditional marketing methods. And businesses like yours that use text message marketing have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Text Message Marketing Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand what text message marketing is, how it works, and everything else you need to know before using it for your business. This report is for informational purposes only and is in no way endorsed or in partnership with any third-party provider or service. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.